Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Soumya this side and please subscribe me if you have not already subscribed. Your one subscription means a lot to me. And in today's video, I am here to show you that how we can build an approval process. So I am in Trailhead approve records with approval process and I'm going to do this hands-on. So let me launch my org. So why do we need approval process is because suppose we marked for leave, right? So and then there is someone who has to approve our leave or reject our leave, right? So there has to be a proper approval process, and if our leave is rejected, then we should get an email saying your leave is rejected and try again or something like that, right? So let's start. They are saying that create an approval process to ensure that prospect accounts with more than 500 employees are approved before they are converted to the customers. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we have to go to object manager and see that we have these picklist values for the account or not. So let me go to setup and object manager and account, and in fields and relationship, let me see that does it have this type. Okay, so I will uh, type here type. Okay, and in this pick list I have to see that what values it has. So it has prospect, um 1 minute, what all values it is saying: prospect, customer, and pending. So it has prospect, customer direct, and customer channel, and then one more which is pending. Okay, so let me create a new value here, and which will be pending, and I'm going to save it. Okay, so we have prospect here, pending here, and okay, sorry. Okay, so now let's see. Use the Jumpstart wizard to create an approval process. So manage approval processes for an for account. Okay, so let's start the approval process. Sorry, I'm going to go here. Then I will go to approval processes, and I will go to for account. Okay, and then I'll click on create approval process. I'll use the Jumpstart wizard, and then they're saying what is the name. So the name is this. Okay, the unique name is this. Then approval assignment email template, choose any template. So this is the email template. So let me choose any template right here, and then we have to set the criteria. So account type equals prospect. So account st account type equals value will be prospect here. Okay, and then account employees is greater than account employees. Okay, employees greater than 500. Okay, so there are two entry criterias, that when the account type will be a prospect, okay, and the employees will be greater than 500. Approver, approve automatically assigned. So assign to approver, automatically assign. Okay, here I am going to select my name as user, so I'll go Soumya. Okay, and then add an initial action, that update field. So I'm going to save it here. Okay, so they are saying that what all I can additionally do here. Okay, so I have to do some additional steps. Add an initial submission action that updates the field. Okay, so initial submission action is here, so I am going to add existing that updates a field. So what is the name? Name will be this and this, and field update type to pending. Okay, so sorry, what they're saying, field to update. So action update the type field to pending. Okay, so field is type. So type will be PQRST type. Okay. And a specific value, and the value will be pending. Okay, so we have saved this, we have done this step. Now edit the existing final approval action. Okay, so now we got this final approval action is this one. Okay, so we are going to edit this record lock. And what they're saying that unlock the record for editing. So this is lock right now, I'm going to unlock it for the editing. Okay, so this is done. Now anything else, add a final rejection action that updates fields. Okay, so final rejection action is this, so I'm going to add, and that will update the field. So what field? The name will be account type to prospect. Okay, and description, what is the field update? Update the type field to prospect. Okay, so here I'm going to do for the type field again, st type field, and the value will be prospect. Okay, I'm going to save it. So yeah, I have done that hands-on successfully, and let me check this challenge. So it will tell me if there will be any mistake, and also they are saying for the last two actions that we won't check for this. So even if you are, oh sorry, I didn't activated the approval process yet, so this will not be completed. Let me activate it first. Okay, so I have activated it now, and find an active, yeah, so because it was not activated, so I have activated it yet. Now let's see, it should check. So this is how we build an approval process, and these are very important in an organization whenever we need, because an approval process is something which we need every now and then. We approved an account, but we can't find account type set to customer. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, because it was customer direct and customer indirect. That's okay. Let me go in field and relationship, and let me go in the type, and I will add a pickless value here, right? So I'm going to add a new value, which will be this one, the customer. Yeah. So I'm going to copy this right here, and I'm going to select it right here, and I'm going to save it. Okay. So I think now it will be done, but I'll go to approval process again, approval processes. Okay, and I see this approve new account process. Okay, now I'm going to deactivate and then activate it again, so that it can take the changes if it didn't took that time. Yeah. Okay, so it is done now. Let me check it. We approved an account, but we can't find that account's type set to customer. Okay, I think account type set to customer. I think account type set to customer is in this only. Find the let's see. I am going to edit this one. Where was the account type set? So this is add a final approval action. So we will go to the approval final approval action. Okay, and then we'll edit this, unlock the record for editing. This is done already. So they're saying add a final approval action that updates fields. Okay, so final approval action that update fields, let me go again. I'm going to add here. Oh, okay, this is not added. Yeah, I skipped some one step, So here they're saying that this one is not done. Account type to customer. Okay, and this, and then they're saying the type is set to to okay. Yeah. So I just missed a step. That's why I'm going to do on next now, and then I am going to select here customer. Okay, because they are saying that it is, a specific type, which is customer. So let's select that, and now let me activate the flow, activate the approval. Sorry, I just deactivated it, and now I let me activate it again so that it takes all the changes, and I think it will be set now. So finally, let me check it. Okay, yeah, it is done successfully. So this is how we get to know a lot of things when we do hands-on through Trailhead, and that's why I love Trailhead. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to me if you have not already subscribed. Bye bye.